Okay guys, so it's been a bit of a long time since we started the video, but we need to do the intro now. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. But yeah, today it's so annoying because it was so warm this morning. It was like hot almost, like it was like t-shirt weather, and now I know I'm in like a long sleeve top, but I'm cold. But it's okay, it's fine. I'll survive. And it's all cloudy and horrible, and it was sunny earlier, so you know.
But hey, at least it's not raining.
Yeah, it's not raining or it's not really windy. It's a bit breezy, but it's nothing like crazy. But today's video is we're just gonna go on a quick little hack down our favourite lane, and then we might come back, go in the arena. It kind of just depends what we kind of feel like. But we're gonna set off on our hack. And yeah, so yeah, we're gonna set off.
The little evening routine, isn't it?
Yeah, little evening routine, sort of day in the life vlog. Yeah. Good girl. She doesn't. She doesn't.
What is it?
Yeah. We're done. Go on. Go on.
What's the matter, Luna? What is it? Can't even see anything. Come on. Got treats in my pocket.
Trees. Mm. She's got trees. Is it just when you stop that she stops?
Maybe it is when I stop.
Look at that. Okay, we're just gonna have a bit of a snack. I'm not sure what happened, but this up there, it was in portrait, like instead of landscape, on the camera. So unfortunately, I oh, I could try and convert it to a landscape.
Yeah, she had a bit of a
and
spook,
edit
didn't
it.
she?
She did like a weird, like, because I was trying to get her to trot past, like whatever it is. I was going like, oh, I'm doing what it is, and she did like a canter slash like she like slammed her hooves on the ground and like went that way, but she didn't do anything like she didn't like rear or anything. Like she was fine. I don't know what she did, but we had that little incident. She's really scared of like over there. Like she's never been before. She's been down here about 1,000 times, and I don't know what it is. She's just different. He gave pats. It was fine. I just carried on trying and ignored it. Yeah. Well, we've got to head up. Right.
She's waiting for me to go first.
Oh, that's not
Well done.
making little like
Protesting.
yeah. So I do a little pop back.
Speedy. Ooh. Come on then. All she thinks about is her belly.
Oh wait, that looks really cool. Whoa, it's like I'm on the like ceiling. Oh. Hey guys, I'm just gonna pop in the arena because she's got a lot of energy still to release. So yeah. Okay. She's screwing it or something. Does she know where to go? No, just really hard, a little bit. Whoa, so we're being all this tall in this stable. Wait. Mommy, catch. Ready? Good girl. Look at this girl. Good girl. Do you not make it easy for me, are you? Okay.
Right, undo your girth a bit.
Luna.
Just scratching her head on the hay now.
Yeah, right. Can I? Oh, I just.
Right, undo your girth a bit.
Right. No.
Okay.
I'm gonna undo my girth in a minute. What is your problem with the girth?
You're sassier than the mare you ride, Mrs.
Yeah, but she barks. Not sassy, just tell me lots of things that you've already told me. Hello? 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 That light is lovely, isn't it? Thank you. It's so good. Okay.
That's not a way to get off your pony.
She's around the world.
Oh, okay.
What was that?
Bird on the roof, probably.
Did you guys hear that? It was like. Oh my god, have you guys ever done half scissors? It's where you like sit, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Where you like sit sideways, then you like. Yeah, oh, it's not the best example, but it's 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da! It's hardly a gymnastic dismount, was it?
Okay. It's difficult
Like you
to get
used
off.
to do.
It's difficult to get off when your stirrups are rolled up high. Okay. Can you put the bridle back? I can't reach. Okay, guys. So this is Luna's like really fancy rug, right? It's actually like navy blue. It's fleece, like quite thin, but it's like navy blue, and then it's got like a gold rim, and it's really fancy. But it gets all these little shading stuff. You know, not great.
You're just putting a thin little bed rug on,
Yeah.
stable rug.
And it's not going to get like cold, but it's going to get like a little bit chilly. So, you know, the only thing about this rug that I find a bit like, huh, is that it doesn't have like a bit to go around the tail. It's just here. It's just these straps and the belly strap. I check every time because I always forget. But like, I remember now. It just doesn't. Got quite long straps as well, which is good, but like not long enough to get a feet for them. But it's like they don't touch any. Yeah, there's no tail strap. It's been like cut off. Who's done that?
Who's done that?
Like let me just.
The phantom.
It's been cut. It's like it used to be attached to these,
All right.
but it's not. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed it. I think Luna enjoyed it because she was quite spooky today. We had like a few canters and all that. It was pretty good. She was just very spooky, which she's normally like a bit like to things that she's seen before about a million times. But just today, there's something about today. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're looking for like, if you want to see some more like jumping vlogs and exciting vlogs, check out my channel for more, guys. And also please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.